All right, let's take a look at coming up with find a polynomial function of lowest degree with rational coefficients that has given numbers as some of its zeros. Okay, this right here, 2 plus I, because you have a complex root with an imaginary part, you merely need to to add the additional root, and this always exists, and this other root is made simply by swapping the sign in the imaginary part. So as you can see here, the 2 plus I, the new root is 2 minus I. Now in this example from 4.4, that now gives us this one. We now have this 4, and we now have this one right here. Now, to get the lowest degree, which is what they're asking for right here, you need to multiply these three together. So what is it you're going to multiply? Now, hang on here. I need to fumble my way through this next part. And it won't be too bad. But what I'm going to be doing is simplifying this. You need to simplify these three and then multiply them together like you would any monomials. Okay, so let's simplify this thing. And I'm going to simplify this first one, the second one, and the third one. And I'm going to change mode here to text. And I'm going to put it right here. So the first one is now going to simplify to x minus, and then I'm going to distribute this minus sign into the what's inside the parentheses, 2 plus I. And I need to put parentheses here, and I think that's right. No, I take it back. It's not right because that's a plus I in there, so that's going to be a minus I. So let's get back here. And let's simplify the second one. X minus 2, and this one is going to be plus I. And then finally we have x minus 4. Okay. So from here, and let me switch back to this other mode real quick. And I'm having trouble here switching, but we'll hang on. Stick with me here. Hit enter, and then I go back to this other mode, which is freehand. And what you end up doing at this point is you're going to multiply them 2 at a time. It doesn't really matter which order you do it. You could do these two first, or you could do these two first. And then once you get a result, you multiply by the third one. So in this case right here, I would multiply this times this first, use that answer and multiply it times this, and I will end up with this right here after I combine all the like terms. So given that, I've worked out this problem, and I am now going to stop this video after I push a couple buttons. includes it.